One of the biggest challenges in app design and development today is ensuring smooth collaboration between designers and developers. They often speak different languages. Designers work visually in Figma, while developers work with code in IDEs like VS Code. The result is a gap where designs don't always translate perfectly into production. That's where the Figma MCP from Claude Code comes in. With Claude Code powered by Opus 4.6, this connector bridges the design-development divide, enabling both personas to collaborate in real time through tools they already know. Designers can create intuitive, high-fidelity visuals directly in Figma, while developers can use Claude Code and VS Code to automatically interpret and scaffold those designs into real, runnable application code. This allows ideas to move freely between design and development, accelerating workflows and improving consistency. The value of this integration is that each expert stays in their comfort zone. Figma's rich visual interface for designers and structured prompt-based code generation in VS Code for developers. Instead of trying to manually describe every design detail to Claude, the Figma MCP makes those details instantly recognizable. This means Claude Code understands layouts, colors, comps, images, and structure natively from the design file, without requiring you to write complex prompts or custom design instructions from scratch. In other words, Figma handles how it looks, while Claude Code handles how it works. Together, they simplify multidisciplinary workflows where design and development can iterate side by side. It's fast, fluid, and fits right into modern agile or product design pipelines. Now let's dive into the demo. I'll start by showing how to connect the Figma MCP from Claude Code and VS Code. This is a crucial step because it allows Claude Code to communicate directly with your Figma projects, pulling in metadata, design tokens, layout information, and component properties. Without this connector, Claude wouldn't be able to interpret your visual designs or generate accurate code based on them. Once connected, I'll create a free Figma account and explore the available templates and capabilities. Figma isn't just a design canvas. It supports interactive prototyping, collaborative editing in real time, pre-built UI kits, auto layout, and component libraries that help design systems scale quickly. It's a visual workspace built for product teams, and with Claude Code now plugged in, that workspace becomes a development accelerator. Next, I'll demonstrate the natural language prompt experience inside Figma. This feature lets me describe what I want to build directly in plain English, just like prompting in Claude. I'll ask Figma to create a data entry form with multiple tabs, each containing data tables that can be exported to Excel. The tabs will be labeled orders, customers, and products. Figma quickly generates a visual prototype that matches this description. Now, of course, while Figma can visualize the design beautifully, it stops short of creating deployable code. That's where Claude Code steps back in. I'll make a few stylistic adjustments like applying a dark blue theme, and once I'm happy with the design, I'll move over to VS Code. With the Figma MCP running inside Claude Code, I can simply share the Figma project URL, and Claude will analyze the design, translate it, and generate local scaffolding automatically. Within moments, it builds a working front-end app in my local folder, complete with navigation, tab structure, and export functionality. It even deploys to a local development server, so I can view the design come to life as actual application code. Now, while this first version doesn't connect to a live backend, it lays the groundwork perfectly for integration with databases, APIs, or server logic. For just a few prompts, that's a pretty remarkable starting point. Next, I'll show a second example, a custom website layout designed in Figma with a green theme and professional styling. When I share this project URL with Claude Code, it again scaffolds a working app locally. It's worth noting, though, that this process isn't entirely seamless. I found that to maintain visual fidelity, I often needed to download Figma's images and asset files and share them directly with Claude. Otherwise, it may approximate or omit image placeholders. Similarly, full responsiveness sometimes requires an extra refinement prompt, but even so, after just a few minutes of effort, Claude Code produces a running web app that's impressively close to the uploaded design. So the key takeaway is the speed, alignment, and cross-tool collaboration this workflow enables. Design teams can craft beautifully detailed mock-ups in Figma, Developers can turn those designs into living code in VS Code, with Claude managing the translation layer. This loop, from concept to code and back, closes the gap that used to slow product teams down. So to wrap up, Figma plus Claude Code with the Figma MCP creates a new model for design to development collaboration. Instead of working in silos, both disciplines are now connected by AI assistance that understands visuals and code equally well. It accelerates iteration, improves accuracy, and lets you spend more time innovating and less time redrawing or rewriting. That's how AI-assisted app creation should feel: creative, connected, and seamless. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.